In this video, I'll be talking about the 5 ways hosted desktops will boost your productivity. I'm Jack from GoCloud, one of the UK's most flexible hosted desktop providers, here to bring you top tips on operating a remote workforce. Remote working is made infinitely smoother and more secure when your business switches to hosted desktops. The system involves each of your employees having access to their usual desktop experience from any device at any time, which does wonders for productivity levels. Whether you work from home just every now and then or on a permanent basis, hosted desktops will help you to get more done every single day. Hosted desktops from GoCloud are built around the expectations of modern businesses, including the need for speed. Having to wait for a system to load or a file to open doesn't just slow down your working day, it can also cause unnecessary stress and frustration. When you choose our hosted desktops, you benefit from exceptional speeds because your data is hosted in our state-of-the-art data center. All your hardware has to do is access the data securely via the internet rather than store it locally, which is a much more streamlined process. When you combine all of the tiny actions you carry out on your computer in a single hour, from opening folders to moving files, a bit of extra speed goes a long way. This cumulative effect results in a very smooth and responsive user experience, freed of all that silly little delays that are the nemesis of productivity. Furthermore, hosted desktops are designed with collaboration at their core. When every member of staff has their own hosted desktop that they can use from anywhere, physical distance no longer poses an issue, enabling both you and your team members to collaborate more easily. Whether you're based in the office, working from home, or on the move, your hosted desktop allows you to access all of your usual files, folders, software, and emails without any limitations, delays, or stress. In addition, when combined with digital tools such as Office 365, Dropbox, Slack, and any other platforms that bring employees together, hosted desktops enable your staff to collaborate on a whole new level. Rather than needing to send email attachments back and forth that result in people working on different files, you can all collaborate in real time on the same version of a document hosted in the cloud. This means no more lost changes, conflicting files, or overlapping messages that confuse a project. It's just plain sailing all the way. One of the main concerns when working remotely, or even just using your own device, is the level of security available for accessing, editing, and transferring files. All it takes is a single breach in your digital protection, and your company could end up facing anything from viruses and ransomware to unauthorized users and data loss. With hosted desktops managed and supplied by GoCloud, all of your staff receive ultimate levels of encryption and data protection no matter where they are or which device they're using. As a result, they can work on a file whilst in the workplace, continue to make amends to it from their smartphone during their train journey home, and then continue to work seamlessly from their personal laptop once they arrive in their home office, without the need to worry about security. The only thing you need to worry about when it comes to hosted desktops is staff working too much due to unprecedented digital agility, so make sure they're taking breaks and looking after their well-being. Furthermore, many of our clients take on our hosted desktops and within a week have transformed their communication strategy. When software platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, SharePoint, Monday.com, and Asana are accessed through a fast, capable, and reliable cloud infrastructure, the potential for effective communication goes through the roof. One of the most common bugbears of business owners is the time that's wasted whilst waiting for software and operating systems to update to the latest version. However, even worse than this time lost is the risk of some staff postponing an update, which can lead to cracks forming in your company's online security barrier. Although, with hosted desktops from GoCloud, all of your systems are updated automatically across your business, which removes compatibility issues too, saving time and stress. The outcome is optimized productivity for everyone at all times and a highly profitable business. GoCloud hosted cloud solution allows your team to access their files, data, and applications remotely from any place on any device. If you're interested in finding out about how GoCloud can help your business, check out our website at gocloud.co.uk.